ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଭିଡିଓରେ ଆଜି ଆମେ 60ଟି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ପଲିଟିର ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟ, ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଶେଡ୍ୟୁଲ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ଏହାର ପିଡିଏଫଟିକୁ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପର ଲିଙ୍କ ରହିଛି। ଟେଲିଗ୍ରାମ ଗ୍ରୁପର ଲିଙ୍କ ଡିସ୍କ୍ରିପସନ ବକ୍ସରେ ରହିଛି, ସେଠୁ ଯାଇ ଡାଉନଲୋଡ କରିପାରିବେ। ପ୍ରଥମ ନମ୍ବର ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ହେଉଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ ନମ୍ବର 1, which part of the Indian Constitution deal with fundamental right? यार राइट आंसर ହେଇଯିବ ऑप्शन नंबर बी पार्ट 3 रे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, DPSP are included in which part of the constitution? Right answer is option number B part 4. Question number 3, article 21 of the constitution is related to which right? Right answer is option number C. Question number 4, which article abolished untouchability? Right answer is option number C, article 17. Question number 5, which part of the constitution deal with citizenship? Right answer is option number B part 2. Question number 6, the preamble of the constitution is covered under which article? Right answer is option number C. Question number 7, which part of the constitution deal with the union judiciary? Right answer is option number B part 5. Question number 8, which article is related to the impeachment of the president? Right answer is option number C, article 61. Question number 9, which article provide for the creation of all India service? Right answer is option number B, article 312. Question number 10, the emergency provisions are mentioned in which part? Right answer is option number C. Question number 11, which article is related to the suspension of fundamental right during emergency? Right answer is option number C. Question number 12, which article of the Indian Constitution deal with uniform civil code? Right answer is option number A. Question number 13, the anti-defection law was included in the Constitution through which schedule? Right answer is option number C. Question number 14, which schedule of the Constitution distribute powers between union and state? Right answer is option number B. Question number 15, how many schedules did the Indian Constitution originally have? Right answer is option number A. Question number 16, which article of the Constitution deal with the official language of the Union? Right answer is option number A. Question number 17, which article grants special status to Jammu and Kashmir before abrogation? Right answer is option number C. Question number 18, the provisions related to Panchayat Raj are included in which part of the Constitution? Right answer is option number A. Question number 9, which part of the Constitution deals with amendment procedure? Right answer is option number B. Question number 20. Which article deals with the constitutional amendment procedure? Right answer is option number C. Question number 21. Which article guarantees equality before law? Right answer is option number B. Question number 22. Which part of the constitution deal with the state legislature? Right answer is option number B. Question number 23. Which schedule of the constitution contain the list of official language? Right answer is option number B. Question number 24. The fundamental duty were interested in the constitution by which amendment? Right answer is option number B. Question number 25. Which article of the constitution provide for free and compulsory education for children? Right answer is option number B. Question number 26. Which part of the constitution deals with the relation between union and state? Right answer is option number C. Question number 27. Which article empowers the president to promulgate ordinance? Right answer is option number B. Question number 28. Which part of the constitution deal with education? Right answer is option number A. Question number 29. The provision of corporate society was added by which amendment? Right answer is option number D. Question number 30. Which schedule of the constitution contain provision for the administration of tribal area? Right answer is option number C. Question number 31. Which article define money bill? Right answer is option number B. Question number 32. Which part of the constitution deal with municipality? Right answer is option number C. Question number 33. Which schedule contain the provision regarding allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha? Right answer is option number B. Question number 34. Which article deals with the appointment of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Right answer is option number B. Question number 35. Which part of the constitution deals with finance, property, contract and suit? Right answer is option number A. Question number 36. The provision of schedule and tribal area are mentioned in which part of the constitution? Right answer is option number B. Question number 37. Which part of the constitution is called the conscience of the constitution? Right answer is option number B. Question number 38. Which article provide for the establishment of the Finance Commission? Right answer is option number B. Question number 39. Which article gives power to the Supreme Court to review its own judgment? Right answer is option number D. Question number 40. Which article of the Constitution deals with the Election Commission? Right answer is option number C. Question number 41. Which article deal with the right to constitutional remedy? Right answer is option number B. Question number 42. Which part of the Constitution is related to emergency provision? Right answer is option number C. Question number 43. The concept of fundamental duty was borrowed from which country? Right answer is option number B. Question number 44. Which schedule of the Constitution deal with anti-defection law? Right answer is option number C. Question number 45. Which article provide for the abolition of titles? Right answer is option number B. Question number 46. Which part of the Constitution deal with the amendment procedure? Right answer is option number B. Question number 47. Which schedule contains the form of oath and affirmation? Right answer is option number B. Question number 48. Which article deals with freedom of speech and expression? Right answer is option number B. Question number 49. Which part of the Constitution deal with the services under the Union and State? Right answer is option number B. Question number 50. Which article provide for the election of the Vice President of India? Right answer is option number D. Question number 51. Which schedule deal with the allocation of seats in the Lok Sabha? Right answer is option number D. Question number 52. Which part of the Constitution deal with official language? Right answer is option number B. Question number 53. Which article empowered the Supreme Court to issue writ for the enforcement of fundamental right? Right answer is option number A. Question number 54. Which article give the Parliament the power to amend the Constitution? Right answer is option number C. Question number 55. Which schedule contains the list of state and union territories? Right answer is option number A. Question number 56. Which part of the Constitution deal with trade, commerce and intercourse with the territory of India? Right answer is option number C. Question number 57. Which article provide for the establishment of a High Court? Right answer is option number A. Question number 58. Which part of the Constitution deal with temporary, transitional, and special provision? Right answer is option number C. Question number 59. Which schedule deals with the subject like union list, state list, and concurrent list? Right answer is option number C. Question number 60. Which article deals with the election of the President of India? Right answer is option number B.